Hey there, Appsec engineers. Today we are diving into a topic that affects all of us, securing critical operations in manufacturing. Did you know that the 2020 IBM Exposed Threat Intelligence Index reported an unprecedented 2000% year-over-year increase in incidents targeting OT environments, including critical infrastructure manufacturing? It's clear that cybersecurity in manufacturing is now more important than ever. But here's the good news. The manufacturing industry has seen a surge in resources specifically designed to improve cybersecurity. As we embrace Industry 4.0 technologies and witness their widespread adoption, it's crucial for manufacturers worldwide to expect and embrace enhanced cybersecurity oversight. The answer lies in gaining real-world knowledge of cybersecurity and DevSecOps. Let's break it down. Cloud security is imperative because many manufacturing operations are transitioning to cloud-based infrastructures. It's crucial to understand how to protect our data, applications, and systems from potential threats. With proper cloud security knowledge, we can confidently leverage the benefits of the cloud while mitigating the associated risks. In your next company meeting, ask the big questions about your Industry 4.0 processes. How well does your team know and implement containers and Kubernetes security? How ready is your team to take on the challenges of cloud security in AWS, Azure, or GCP? The answers may surprise you. DevSecOps integrates security practices into the entire developmental and operational lifestyle of systems, emphasizing collaboration and automation. By prioritizing security from the initial design stages, manufacturers can identify and address vulnerabilities early on, reducing the risk of cyber threats. DevSecOps enables a proactive approach to security, allowing manufacturers to build robust and secure systems, adapt to evolving threats, and streamline security processes. With the growing complexity of technology and the increasing adoption of interconnected systems in Industry 4.0, what really is your DevSecOps readiness? Has this been implemented truly across all layers of your organization? And how bleeding edge is your team's DevSecOps skill really? As manufacturers, you must prioritize information security training to protect your critical operations. With Industry 4.0 technologies becoming commonplace, the threat landscape is expanding and cybersecurity oversight is on the rise. Gaining real knowledge of cloud security and DevSecOps can be expensive and daunting, with instructor-led training being in the $4,000 to $10,000 range per team member. We have overcome some of that problem in AppSecEngineer with self-paced training in real defensive techniques in DevSecOps and cloud security. Check out the description to start training your team today.